Welcome to Goats versus Sheep, Unraveling Brains, Instincts, and Evolution. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating differences between these two common farm animals. What makes a goat scale a cliff on its own, while a sheep waits for the flock? Are goats rebellious, or just smarter? Let's uncover a tale of brains, instincts, and thousands of years of evolution. Observe the striking contrast in their behavior. This video will explore their unique cognitive abilities and how their evolution shaped them. Prepare to be surprised by what makes them tick. Let's journey back in time to understand their ancient origins and how humans first domesticated them. Goats were among the first animals domesticated over 10,000 years ago. But unlike sheep, goats largely retained their independent wits. Why did humans raise two similar animals, yet end up with such different personalities? Now, let's dive into their brains, literally, to understand the biological basis of their differences. Goats have larger prefrontal cortex regions, areas linked to decision-making and problem-solving. Sheep, on the other hand, excel in group safety, not solo thinking. Beyond the science, let's look at real-world examples and hear from farmers themselves about the unique personalities of goats and sheep. In a quiet valley in Turkey, a goat famously climbed a silo and came down on its own, showcasing its independent spirit. Nearby, sheep refused to cross a narrow bridge unless one of them led the way, illustrating their herd mentality. Their environments shaped their minds. Let's explore the evolutionary psychology behind these fascinating creatures. Goats evolved in mountainous regions, where thinking independently and navigating complex terrains meant survival. Sheep, however, evolved on open plains where safety in numbers was the primary strategy against predators. Their instincts were shaped by this need for collective security. To further illustrate their differences, we'll look at visual tests that highlight their intelligence and obedience patterns. When given tasks, goats consistently demonstrate memory, planning, and remarkable problem-solving skills, often outwitting their human handlers. Sheep, in contrast, rely heavily on social cues and follow their leaders, rarely thinking ahead or attempting to solve problems independently. So, what can these amazing animals teach us about ourselves and the diverse forms of intelligence? Goats, with their bold and inquisitive nature, teach us the value of curiosity, independent thought, and audacious problem-solving. Sheep, through their unwavering loyalty and unity, remind us that there's immense strength in community, trust, and collective action.